problem is of debenture, issue of debenture, because the name of the company is Latex Limited, issuing 2,500 15% debentures of rupees 100 each at 95 payable. So it indicates that this is a problem of what? Issue at discount. So we'll confirm this, make addition of application allotment and call money. So it is exactly 95, but the actual face value is 100. So it is, so 5 rupees is missing. So what is this? This 5 rupees is discount. 5 rupees is the discount. Okay. So they have not specifically mentioned where this discount is included. So if it is not mentioned in the problem, then we have to assume that the discount is included in allotment. Okay, included in allotment. Okay, so we have to remember discount of rupees is 5. Okay, face value is 100, but actually the addition of this is 95. So 5 rupees is missing. So that 5 rupees we have to consider in allotment. Okay, so the company received the applications. See here, company received the application of 3,000 debentures. Company issued 2,500 debentures, against company received 3,000 debentures. Okay, so this is the oversubscription. Company received the application for 3,000 debentures. Okay, to whom the debentures were allotted pro rata by adjusting the excess application money towards call. So whatever excess application money is there, that is adjusted towards call, right? Not call, adjusted towards allotment call. Okay, adjusted towards allotment call. So whatever adjusted applications are there, that is adjusted towards allotment call. So 3,000 and company issued 2,500 debentures. So excess application is 500, and this 500 is adjusted to allotment, right? See here, adjusted towards allotment call. Mr. X, holder of 100 debentures, paid the entire amount due on debenture along with the allotment call. Okay, so here what it indicates? It indicates calls in advance, right? So the Mr. X paid the entire amount on his holding of debenture with allotment. Okay, so this is a calls in advance. And here Mr. Y, holder of 50 debentures, failed to pay final call. So what it indicates? It indicates calls in arrears. Okay, so now let us try to pass the journal entries. Okay, so very first journal entry, you know that receiving the application money. So here entries, bank account debit to 15%, debenture application account. Narration being application money received. Okay, so how much money received here? So received applications are here 3000 and application money is 20. So here 3000 into 20. So it is 60,000. It is 60,000. It is 60,000. Right. Next, transferring the application money to debenture account. Okay. And whatever excess application money is there, that we have to adjust it towards allotment account. So we have to pass a combined entry. So how we have to pass the entry? The entry will be like this: 15% debentures application account debit to 15% debenture account to 15% debenture allotment account. Then write the narration being transfer application money and excess application money adjusted to allotment account. Okay, so here write 3000 into 20, that is 60,000. Okay, now while transferring the application money to debenture account, the issued applications are 2500 into the application money, that is 20. So 50,000 and excess application is 500 into 20, so it is 10,000. Okay, I told you the excess application money is 500. Okay, so that excess application money, so that amount will be 500 into application money. See here, application money is 20. Okay, 10,000. Then third entry of allotment due and allotment receipt. Okay, 15% debenture allotment account debit. So there is discount na. So discount on issue of debenture account debit to 15% debenture account. Write a narration. Being allotment money due. Okay. So here issued applications. How much? Allotment money is 25, no? Right. So right here this amount issued application 2500 into allotment money 25. So this amount will be 500, 62,500. Then the discount of rupees 5. Okay. So it will be 12,500. And we know every debit has a corresponding credit. So make addition of this. So it is 75,000. Okay. Now receiving the allotment money. Bank account debit to debenture allotment account. And who is that person? See here, Mr. X, holder of 100 debentures, paid the entire amount due on debenture along with the allotment call. So while receiving the allotment money, we receive the money from Mr. X. So that we have to mention here. So for the calls in advance entry, bank account debit to debenture calls in advance account. So combined entry we have to pass here. To debenture calls in advance account. Write a narration. Being received allotment money and calls in advance. Okay. So that holder who is holding 100 shares, who paid the entire amount due, okay, of his call money along with the allotment. So call money is 50. See here, call money is 50. So the calls in advance money is 5,000. Okay, and debenture allotment money. See here, debenture allotment due money is 2,500, but here the excess money we have adjusted to the allotment account, so that 10,000 we have to deduct from 62,500. Okay, so 62,500 minus 10,000, it will be 52,500. So, and we know every debit has a corresponding credit, so 57,500 goes to the bank. Okay, then number 5 entry, first call due and first call receive, right? So first call due entry 15% debenture first and final call account to 15% debenture account, write a narration being first and final call due. So that money will be 2,500 into 50, right? That money will be 1,25,000. This much amount is due on first and final call. There is adjustment for first and final call because Mr. Y, holder of 50 debentures, failed to pay final call on his debenture. So calls in advance is also there, so that we have to consider. So right here, bank account debit, calls in advance account debit to 15% debenture first and final call account being received first and final call money. Okay, so calls in advance is 5,000 rupees, and here calls in arrears is there, na? So 2500 minus Mr. Y holding 50 shares did not pay final cost, so we have to delete the 50 rupees from 2500. It will be 2450 into T, right? 50 is the final call money, so it is 1,22,500. And we know that every debit has a corresponding credit, so bank account 1,70,500 goes to the bank.